go running. Yeah. Well, it's another great day here at Justin's World. We're gonna go out for a little late night scrapping again. We know of at least one pickup over in the Morningside district. I'll see you guys there. Okay, so we've got everything loaded up. This is all from one stop. So, hopefully we get a good amount tomorrow at the scrapyard. We'll see. I'll meet you guys there. Bye. Alright, so good morning. This is what we ended up with last night for scrap. So we are going to head off to the scrapyard and go see how much we get paid for this. I just received another message this morning of a washing machine and a dryer. So I messaged them back, say, hey, I gotta work tonight, but I'll stop by afterwards and pick those up for you. So the address. So we'll pick those up this evening. Let's go to the scrapyard and get rid of this load. I'll see you guys there. Peace. Alright. Total weight comes to 3,840. Cut a hole in the bank so they can see.
In the bank?
Yeah. There we go. Alright, so we're gonna just sit here a little bit and wait. Alright, so here he comes. He's gonna start unloading us. That's how you break a tailgate. Nothing wants to stick on the magnet today. There we go. Alright, so I'm gonna get out for a second and go pull this last one piece off. Kind of got a good pile going there too. So let's go see how much we weigh out for. Right, that's what we weigh out at. 3,520. Hello. Yep. It was, this one wasn't too bad. At least this whole load came from one spot. It took me like 15-20 to pick up. Then another person messaged me this morning to go get a washer and dryer. So I was like, I'll go pick that up tonight. That isn't too bad then. So, alright, see you later. Weight is 320 pounds at $90 a net ton. So this load we made $14.40. It's gonna go running. Yeah, there we go. We're good. All right, so if you liked that video, click that like button. So, got them loaded up here. I'm not gonna worry about strapping them in. It's a washing machine. What could possibly maybe go wrong? Alright. Well, maybe besides going 70 down the freeway. Alright, so we're up here in Morningside. I found a couple other ads on Facebook. So we're gonna go and check out and see if there's anything left at this pile.
Your destination is on the right.
Well, looks about like the only thing that's left. Just leave the headlights on for a second. So, the only thing that looks like is left, at least it's worth my time, would be the bicycle. Other than that, that's all plastic that's in it. There's one more thing. It's aluminum, but one more shot of stuff for us. Well, good afternoon. So last night we picked up those two washing machines, or the washer and dryer, and that bicycle, and we're headed out to the scrapyard now to dump the load and see how much we're going to get paid for that. Alright, well, we have arrived once more. Alright, so let's see how much we weigh out. We weigh 3,600 pounds. There you go. bit here. Let's see how much we weigh out for. We were at 3,800 going in. We're at 3,340 going out. All right. So how much do you guys think we made for this? I'm gonna say probably 10, 12 bucks, maybe. We'll have to see once we get inside. Hello.
You're gonna have to get a little heavier loads.
Yeah.
Alrighty.
All right. Thank you. Giving me shit. I need to bring in heavier loads. It was 260 pounds. I get that. It's heavy to some individuals, but so we made $11.70 off of that. So that's not bad. Pretty much $5 per appliance. So that ain't too bad. If you guys have enjoyed watching this video, click that like button and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time on Justin's World. Bye.
Hey guys, by the way, like and subscribe and hit that bell for Justin.